Cats, 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 and a dog.
I love cats.
Yeah, we love cats around here.
Cats are very nice.
Yeah.
Next. Now here is my pet cat, Duncan. He's very nice.
Well,
He's so nice.
he's a really
He
good one.
loves this. He's so nice. I love him very much.
Yeah.
The end.